With good news for today from Baptist Press, I'm Brandon Porter. Supreme Court Associate Justice Sonia Sotomayor issued an order Friday that stayed a New York court's requirement that the country's oldest Jewish university officially recognize a gay and transgender group. The order blocked enforcement of a judicial mandate that Yeshiva University must grant official recognition to the YU Pride Alliance. The stay of the lower court action will remain in effect until Sotomayor or the full Supreme Court decide otherwise. Yeshiva University, a 136-year-old institution in New York City, had filed an emergency application with the justices requesting a stay of the lower court order while the case is under consideration. Yeshiva University, which has more than 7,400 undergraduate and graduate students on 4 campuses, says education at the school is based on 5 Torah values: truth, life, infinite human worth, compassion, and redemption. Torah refers to Jewish instruction, specifically that of the Pentateuch, the first 5 books of the Bible. The early morning hours of the second Monday in September have been set aside for community outreach over the last decade at Forest Park Baptist Church in Bowling Green, Kentucky. The Iron Men, the church's men's ministry, rolls out of bed around 3:30 a.m. to prepare a feast for local first responders, as well as local men and women who are distributing Bibles to students at Western Kentucky University. John Daniel, one of the organizers of the event, said COVID caused them to scale back the event just a few years ago. Now they deliver breakfast to the different stations where first responders await the call to help those in need.
Good News for Today is made possible through our friends at the Voice of the Martyrs, a nonprofit organization that serves persecuted Christians around the world. Founded in 1967 by Richard and Sabina Wurmbrand, VOM is dedicated to inspiring believers to deepen their commitment to Christ and to fulfill His Great Commission, no matter the cost. Find out more and sign up for their free monthly magazine at vom.org/goodnews.
She was crowned Defender of the Faith and Supreme Governor of the Church of England, but Queen Elizabeth II's public ownership of her faith extended beyond the official descriptor. Ashlyn Portero, Director of Groups and Partnerships at Redeemer Queen's Park Church, about 10 miles from Buckingham Palace, says she appreciates the late Queen's public witness and legacy. Formerly the executive director of City Church in Tallahassee, Florida, Portero transitioned to Redeemer Queen's Church back in March. Read the full story and sign up to get our daily emails at baptistpress.com. Thanks for listening to Good News